How to tag everyone in WhatsApp group at once. The first things first is of course access your WhatsApp application and make sure that you're logged into your account. And you also have to make sure that you're currently running with the latest version of WhatsApp so you will not encounter any problems in the future. Next thing to do is just access to the group that you have created, like for example this one. Let's say for example you already have members in this group. So what you want to do to tag everyone at once is this. Go directly to your messages tab and just key in or input at sign followed by the word everyone and enter it and it will automatically tag everyone. But if you would like to add individually, just simply type in the at sign again and choose the specific name of the person you would like to be tagged alone. That's it. That's how you tag everyone in WhatsApp group at once.